My name is Edison, and I'll be giving you a short and sweet introduction to Vyper, the smart contract language. So what is Vyper? Well, Vyper is a pythonic programming language that targets the EVM, which stands for the Ethereum Virtual Machine. It is also the second most popular choice to develop your smart contracts after Solidity. We're going to jump right into Python versus Vyper. When you look at these two images, can you tell me which one's which? Can you tell me which one is a Vyper or which one is a Python? If you ask me, I can tell you right now, I have no clue. These both are snakes to me. These both are reptiles, right? This one's apparently on the left, it's a Vyper, and on the right, it's a Python. Now, if you look at it on the code side, right, you can see that these are still very, very similar, just like back in the jungle. You can see that the defining a function is the same, returning is the same, the self is the same, lots of similarities in syntax. And one thing that's also the same is that how it is very, very easy to read and very, very easy to code, right? And on the left is Python, and on the right is Vyper. And you can see the similarities with the file names as well. You got the .vy and you got the .py, right? So why should I use Vyper over Solidity, right? Since Solidity is the most used smart contract programming language, why would I even use Vyper? That's a good point, right? Well, Vyper has easier syntax, and has more transparency for security. It's more readable, straightforward, easier to define errors, and you only need to declare the version. Unlike Solidity, where you also have to declare the licensing, right? That's just a small, very, very small and trivial bonus. But Vyper isn't all sunshines and rainbows, right? There are some flaws with Vyper, such as it's very, very new, right? The community is very underdeveloped. I would even say that the documentation could be known to be underdeveloped as well because it's very, very new. It locks modifiers, class inheritance, recursion, dynamic data types, and it's known to have less features than Solidity, right? And only when time grows, that's when you have more features to Vyper. That is very, very short, and that's my 3-minute talk about Vyper. If you do have any questions, if you do want to reach out to me, here's my LinkedIn, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And as a conclusion, developers can use whatever they want. Vyper isn't created to replace Solidity in any way. It's just to give another opportunity or give another option for developers to be onboarded to the smart contract language.